Now let's move on to another point I noticed in the survey findings, which is about supplier attributes. The notes are made with that survey respondents selected product quality as the most valuable supplier attribute for reducing risk and ensuring compliance, and then flexibility and responsiveness closely followed. But how do you actually quantify supplier attributes?
The attributes of suppliers, I think that they have to have proven processes and systems and equipment. They have to be looking for technology advances and trying to advance the companies. And they need to have competent people. And this is a people business. We all talk about big ships. I love big ships, but in pipelines and manufacture. But if you've not got the right people in place, then you're never going to get the quality or delivery on time. So I think looking at the competency of people, quality of people, experience of people, I think that that's something that I would look for in suppliers. And a mindset that's prepared to challenge and offer alternate solutions.
Yeah, I think quality can mean so many things. You know, it can mean reliability of the product. You know, expenditures in the future minimised. It can mean the quality of the people. It can mean the assets that people have available in terms of vessels. But I think the number one question that suppliers don't ask of clients is, what are you actually looking for in your solution? You know, we talk about price and we talk about delivery and meeting the specification, but there's other things, kind of intangible things that people are looking for, like, do you have the right people? And I don't think, or I think a better job can be done of actually bringing these things to the fore in tenders, in proposals, to really understand what's the project going to be awarded on, what's the criteria, what are they looking for in terms of when they're awarding. Price will only typically be weighted 10-15% perhaps. You know, track record of on-time delivery might be higher than that. If we're not asking these questions during a tender phase and really understanding what clients are looking for in awarding a bid and deciding what the criteria will be, we're really missing the trick. You know, so there's a huge opportunity there. But as we try and make it through the tough industry at the moment, you know, the focus is on win the work, get the best price, and you know, quality can be a given. If you're ISO certified, does that mean that you're of sufficient quality? Not necessarily, you know. But unless we ask the question, what does quality mean to you? We'll miss opportunities.
And does quality equal track record? Do they look at a company and say it's got a good track record, we know they're reliable, we know they're good at what they do, therefore that ticks quality? Or is track record no longer a key thing that they're looking for?
I think that's important, but it doesn't mean if somebody has a track record that they can do it with high quality. By no means. Like I said, quality, I mean, it's not just, for me, it's not just a matter of if you qualified something or if you were able to deliver that, it's you actually being able to have the good repeatability and deliver that good service in the end, because you're not giving just a product, you're giving the whole management of it, the fabrication, the quality, the functionality, and you need to guarantee you're going to deliver that every single time. Now, you may have been good in the past, and your personnel or your people, you may have lost experience, and you might not be able to deliver as good as a job today. Even though you have the capability of doing so, doesn't mean that each supplier will deliver every single time. So for me, that's one thing that I look a lot for, is that capability and that good management, so to speak, or the project kind of, just the way the project is handled overall to the client's needs. Like asking the right questions, making sure that the specifications, that the product is actually meeting what the client needs are.